Hi guys, in this video I will show you a very easy way to add a LCD library in Proteus for a student. First, you need to download the LCD library. The link is available in the description below. After downloading, extract the file using WinRAR. Then copy the library file. You will usually find file now. Go to your Proteus installation folder on your computer. Open the folder name library. Paste the file inside this folder. After that, open your Proteus. Now search for LCD in Proteus and you will see the component ready to use. And that's it. Your LCD library is now successfully added. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tutorial. Thank you for watching.